I talk first about the banker, then the bank, then Hyderabad. I am told that a banker is a very generous person who will extend loan to any person, I will repeat, any person who can prove that he doesn't need it. So, any person who is coming for a loan, he has the mandate of proving that he doesn't need it. Then only the bank will give the loan. So they are so secure they want to be. So that is the definition of a banker I learned. So of course, this sort of an attitude definitely helps to some extent. See, we used to say in Hyderabad, don't go to a lawyer. If you want a project to be scrutinized for legal, go to SBI. They will do it. So once it is approved by SBI, no need of going anywhere. Then number two thing is, right. So the number two part is, this bank was doing the job of a registration department. We were surprised. Why do you bother? Why you do your job as a banker? So when we come to the State Bank of India, they say, if you have a construction agreement, have you paid stamp duty on that? Please pay and come. Why do you bother? Yeah. It was truth. I am not joking. That was the situation. Well, from a conservative bank, it has become a contemporary bank. Very nice. But we from South, we have a lot of complaints. The banks have been giving loans only in MMR and NCR. It is an open secret. The percentage of loans you are extending there, the percentage of money you lost there is very high. The very fact that you are not able to use even 1 or 2% of Swami Fund, again managed by SBI, you have not used even 2% in South India. We are so good here. Maybe you taught us how to make business with our own money instead of depending on you. Sir, you said that 41,000 crores is the portfolio in Telangana. Am I right? Out of 4 lakhs. This is about 8%. So when are you going to make it 18%? Please note it today. 8%, we are not happy, sir. You are saying the city is growing at 34%. Why we are only 8% of the portfolio of home loans? That is only one part. And what is our house in this builder loan compared to the All India? I think it will not be even 2-3%. Why so? See, when you are recognizing that the city is performing well, the state is performing well, you should invest here more without even bothering much. So that is some of my thoughts about that. So you put a percentage, how much percentage you are going to increase from 8% to Hyderabad, Telangana to 18%, 10%, put a target. I think this you can do. You are the Jeff Bezos, as I told you earlier, of the Hyderabad bankers. I saw you very nicely speaking. So put it a target, sir. Again, builder loan, let it be maybe 2-3% you analyze, you make it at least 20%. All India, because we are the fastest growing. Unless you allocate here, how can we fuel the growth? We don't want to somewhere stop. We want to continue this speed and go further. So you put a target, sir, for that and these two things. And one more specific thing, what are the new products you can bring in? Sir, why there is a difference? I am asking this question to all the bankers, the banking ministry also, finance ministry also. Why the home loan rate is less and why the automobile loan is less, why the builder's loan is very high? Why are you charging builder higher interest rate? What is the purpose? See, we are also, for example, you are funding infrastructure projects very cheaply compared to a project, a builder's project, a development project. One more thing. See, Hyderabad rates, land rates are going so much. I have not seen SBI facilitating any real estate developers here. Most of them only builders. That means we are not doing well in the real estate development, plotting, doing well. But maybe you are very, very conservative in financing land and you are not financing land. So you have to spread there also because, sir, nowadays the land cost as a percent of the project cost is growing very much. And you are saying, collateral. Why collateral? In Hyderabad, you know very much in Hyderabad, the land rates, what is quoted on the paper and what it is, lot of difference. Some of us, we register some of the lands at 50 times more than the market value of the government. And you are saying you want to finance based on the sale deed value. What is that? You are a banker, you have to see what is the value of the property, not what is written in the document. So that is the brilliance of a banker. So I would suggest that, forget about these things. Number one. One more thing. Sir, when there is a parity, a disparity, and there is a favorite, you are favoring some people who are doing well. Hyderabad city is doing well. What is the favorite thing your SBI is going to do for us? Tell me. Are you going to give project loans at a lesser rate? Are you going to give the home loans at a lesser rate? Why not you compare other cities with Hyderabad, and why don't you give a special rate, at least not on paper, special rate for builders? Increase our this thing. So first thing is, evolve a product for the all India builders. Rate has to be less. We are doing a good service. See, the amount of finance you are giving is not even 30-40%. You may say it, on paper it may be 70%. That is not. You all know very well what is the land cost. You all know what is the, but for GST. In fact, we have one more problem, sir. What you are going to do about this? Can you address this? One problem is, when you buy a house after obtaining OC, 5% GST you need not pay. Of course, the government wants us to pay, not the customer. Now the recent list from 1419 is, you have to pay even unsold stock. The developer has to pay GST on the unsold stock. So I would suggest that in this case, leftover stock, when you are financing, even as a leverage, as a collateral for something else, you give that favor. Also, can you do something like that? When somebody is buying a house after OC, I think your rate should be more. Or on the other way, if a person is buying under construction flat, you have to give a favorable rate, because to overcome the GST. Then that will fuel the financing of the projects. So these special products and special rates have to come up. I'm very glad that you are doing this thing here. Particularly I'm saying why Hyderabad, because the recovery rate must be the best, not only the growth rate, the recovery rate of the builders loans and home loans, you compare with other cities, and you come from the State Bank of India, All India Management, do some favor for Hyderabad. You be liberal compared to you while sanctioning. Don't follow the All India rules, what you have put here, that criteria. Give us a special criteria. Thank you. Thank you very much.